Hey guys, it's Head Chef Patrick here. Now, us Brits love a good cuppa. In fact, we love it so much that we drink 165 million cups of tea in Britain every day. Today, I'm in the tea hills of Nuwara in Sri Lanka, and I'm here to find out what goes into making the perfect cuppa. Okay, so the tea ladies pick the top of the tea leaf like that. There's 3 leaves on it. They put it in their basket. Hopefully, did that go in? Yeah, I got it.
So the youngest leaves at the top make white tea. The second leaf down is used for green tea, and the third leaf makes that delicious cup of black tea that we love so much. Now, each lady picks well over 20 kilos per day, and they told me that they're better pickers than the men because apparently they're more gentle with the leaves.
So the next time you're brewing a cuppa, raise a toast to all the epic tea ladies of Sri Lanka who probably made it happen. Cheers.